Michigan is ramping up its efforts to distribute the COVID-19 vaccine to more residents.
Just today, Governor Gretchen Whitmer announced the expansion of groups allowed to get the shot. That includes Michiganders ages 65 and older. Also allowed to sign up now are police officers and first responders, frontline state and federal workers, jail and prison staff, and K-12 teachers and child care providers.
So far, over 520,000 vaccines have been distributed in Michigan as of Tuesday, and more than 152,000 total doses have been administered. As the state prepares to expand who is eligible, we are already seeing disturbing disparities. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell found the city hardest hit in Michigan by COVID-19 appears, according to state data, to have some of the lowest vaccination rates. So, Kim, what are you learning?
You know what, Detroit saw some of the most deaths, but as we looked at data today, we noticed it may be seeing some of the fewest vaccinations.
This is a look at the Detroit Health Department's COVID-19 dashboard. You can see 1,706 Detroiters have lost their lives to COVID-19, accounting for a staggering 13% of the state's approximately 13,000 deaths. It is the hardest hit community in the state. So when I looked at the data for how many people in Detroit had received vaccines, the number stood out. I took the numbers of people vaccinated in the state and in Metro Detroit counties, put them in Excel, and calculated the ratio of vaccinations delivered in relation to the population. This is what I found. Only about 0.25% of Detroiters have been vaccinated. Statewide, the number is about 1.5%. I then asked Governor Gretchen Whitmer about the numbers.
What's leading to this disparity and what can be done to address it?
I'm going to ask Dr. J to talk on that particular point.
I've been in regular communications with the director of the Detroit Health Department. We met with the mayor, and we are looking to help them expand their capacity as much as possible.
I think we've got some really aggressive strategy to ramping up vaccinations for Detroiters.
There are already established healthcare disparities in urban and minority communities.
Bishop Edgar Van of Detroit's Second Ebenezer Church says he believes the disparity is a combination of issues. He wants to see more vaccines offered to Detroiters. He wants to see education. He also said there is mistrust in the community of the vaccine due to history and that deliberate action needs to address it.
There won't be a rush to take the vaccine in Detroit until people are comfortable with it. And I would hope that those in government and those in the pharmaceutical industry will understand that it's going to take resources.
I reached out to the mayor's office for comment on this situation, and I was told that the mayor's office is lobbying for resources, but right now the city is limited by how many vaccines it is getting. It's hoping that changes, and it changes fast. Reporting live, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
I think a lot of people are hoping for the same thing. Thank you so much, Kim, for the live report.